Hi everybody, my name is Eden and this morning I really wanted pancakes for breakfast, so I decided to make a show about pancakes. I really like pancakes, so that's why I'm making them. I haven't even got out of pajamas because it's so early and I really didn't want to get out of them. I was like, I don't have to get out of them because it's only breakfast time. So I'm going to be making pancakes for breakfast today. So what you need is flour, baking powder, egg, sugar, and milk, and you can take a bowl or a jug, but I like a jug better because then I can actually it's easier because there's like a little part at the front that I can pour into, but it's totally up to you if you want a bowl or a jug. The first thing you need to do is take your egg. I just have this little thing that my egg was lying in. Take your egg, and then you're going to crack it. And I'm going to put my axes back in the little bowl that my egg was in. If you get any of the shell in, don't worry, you can just scoop it out. Oh no, I got some shell in there. I've got to wash my hands now. And wash your hands before you start. And always get an adult to help you with making pancakes. It can be very dangerous on the stove by yourself. Now I gotta dry my hands. So, then you gotta take your whisk and beat the egg up. I don't mean like beat it up, like a person's beating another person up. So what I mean is actually just stir the egg up. Next, pour in your milk. I've got my milk right over here. And then stir it again to get all the milk into the egg. That looks good. Now we're going to take our measuring cups, or our measuring spoons, and we're going to take the biggest one, which is the teaspoon, or which is the tablespoon, sorry. And we're going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar and put it in. And then you're going to stir it again. Then we're going to take our baking powder and we're going to throw it all in and stir again once it's all in. Now I'm going to stir again. Baking powder will make it all fluffy, and now I'm going to take 1 cup of flour and pour it all in. And then I'm going to stir again. This will help it rise a bit. Now it has to rest for 10 minutes. While it's resting, I'm going to make my mom a coffee. Now my batter has rested, and while it was resting, I made my mom a coffee and cleaned up what I used. And now I'm going to drop a piece of batter into the pan. Once the batter has melted, you are going to pour your batter in. And I'm just going to take my pancake flippy thing and flip the pancake. Now my batter has melted. Don't put the temperature too high so nothing burns. Now I'm going to just put my batter aside and I'm going to take my batter and pour it all in. Don't pour it in too fast, otherwise it'll be a disaster. Now it's started to bubble and we're going to wait a few minutes until we can take our pancake flippy thing and flip it. Now it's ready to flip. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat it. And if you have trouble flipping it, just get an adult to help you. I hope I can do this. The last time I almost broke my pancake. Yay, I did it! And that is in perfect shape. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat this. Now I'm going to take it and put it on the plate. I'm so excited. Now is the best part. I got to take my pancake flippy thing and put it under here and lift it onto the plate. And then I get to put the chocolate spread on. Wow, I can't believe I did it. I thought I was going to break the whole pancake. That was my favorite part. I'm going to put the chocolate spread on. It's my favorite part to put the chocolate spread on. Yum. This looks delicious. It's almost ready to eat. Now's the best part, the eating time. I'm so excited I only get a pancake on the weekends. So this is the most exciting day of my life. And also obviously my birthday, I get a pancake. Oh yeah, I can't wait to try this. It's so nice. I'm eating. Thanks for watching. See you real soon. Bye.